Okay, everybody, I'm here at the office and I'm just about to indulge here on my lobster tacos. And some of my friends here from the States too are about to get them, but they chose something else here. But let's take a look at these tacos here. So I'm gonna just kind of open one up. You can see they have some fresh lobster meat, tomatoes, onions, make some hot peppers, lime. I asked for a side of guacamole and some hot sauce. Of course, being Indian, I don't think the hot sauce is like the hottest here in the world, but that's okay. Just add some more flavor and everything. But I had 4 tacos here, and the bartender here says that they catch it's like everything here is totally fresh and healthy, and I'm looking forward to chomping some of it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this hot sauce here, some of this habanero sauce, and then I'm going to take a scoop of my guacamole here, as you can see. Put it here on my taco, kind of spread it through. Put a little green hot sauce, chili verde, and I'm going to take this lime here that came with it, and I'm just going to squeeze it over here over my taco, and let's see how this tastes here. Okay. Oh damn, that's good. It's really good. It's really fresh. Su comida es muy bueno. That's my bartender there. So I'm just going to go ahead and chow down some of these tacos here. I wish all of you could be here to enjoy this. I don't know if this place has been featured on the Food Network, but it should be. I mean, just look at this. And the lobster just melts in your mouth. This is really fantastic. And it's just really good. Yeah, see, my friends here are bummed that they didn't get it, but I'm just telling you, it's really, really good. The guacamole is fresh. And then we have some picantes, chili verde sauce, and habanero. I mean, for me, again, being Indian, the habanero is like kid stuff. It's nothing. I mean, it's it's just like ketchup to me or something. Ketchup to fries or whatever, but it does taste good with my lobsters here. So one more bite here before. I'm gonna say to all my Facebook friends here, as I'm vlogging and doing this, you should definitely check out the office while you're here and get the lobster tacos for sure. You can't go wrong with these. I recommend them with the flour tortillas. They're probably not the healthiest compared to the corn tortillas, but they're still really damn good. And sometimes you just have to say what the hell and enjoy yourself. So cheers from Cabo. This is Dhaval signing off here. I'll talk to you guys soon.